I'm Kim Picnic, and I have three daughters. My oldest, her name is Riley. She is 13, almost 14. And then I have twin 11-year-old girls. I was getting to the point of really being hesitant to interact with her at all. She gave me vibes that she did not want to talk to me. Sometimes she told me she didn't want to talk to me. And so I just was feeling this increasing disconnect that was making me so sad. In this 8 weeks, she's talking so much to where I wanted to share that. I think it was last Sunday night, I had to get in the shower. I had to start prepping lunches for the next day. And I had to say, Riley, I love this conversation. Can we pause it for a second? Because I have some things to do. And so that I realized, I don't think I thought a couple months ago I would ever be telling her, can we stop talking for a moment? It's just a lot happier and less stressful at home. And I feel more comfortable too, just joking like we used to do, just having a good time. Honestly, it's been so much better. Nobody ever wants to talk about when things are not perfect, especially with our families who, are supposed to look flawless all the time. And so I took a great deal of comfort in hearing similar stories and struggles from other parents with their teenagers. And it just helped me feel less alone about the whole thing. I mean, you really did build upon it in a way that made sense. And still makes me go back and think about previous steps if things aren't going right in an interaction that we're having or a situation. A frog can only eat if he sees flies moving around. And so if he's in a cage with dead flies, he will still starve to death, even though he could eat. And that's how it feels sometimes, where it's like we are drowning and there is support and we could find it. And I was so happy that we connected and we could do this together.